is back there taking pictures and shit.
Friend, say what's up. Oh my God. Go ahead, friend. He laughing. No. You ready, friend? I can't go anywhere, friend. Where the fuck am I going, friend? In the water? Jump over there. Jump in. Friend. Oh my goodness.
Friend, first time on a ski. Let's get it.
I mean, but who got time?
You. What'd you say?
I ain't no bitch.
Hey, you gotta send me that video.
Okay.
Oh, yeah. Get on it, babe. Take it to his chain.
What's happening, Titi?
Ain't a motherfucking thing happening. Hold on, friend. Hold on. Hold on, girl. Oh, Lord. There y'all go. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. Y'all got it. Come on. Swim back to the boat, friend. Swim.
Y'all good? What's up, y'all? It's your girl Nick G, the host, and today, as you can see, my fine ass woman is back there taking pictures and shit. You know what I'm saying? And this is a copyright, so the music is gonna be loud. But listen, I just want y'all to know I love y'all so much, and I appreciate y'all so damn much. We probably gonna go take a walk on the boardwalk, so this probably gonna be a boardwalk vlog. You know what I'm saying? But we just left Barton G's. There's so much going on today, we ain't really recording that much. I fell off a jet ski. Me and Titi fell off the jet ski. Story time coming for how we fell off the jet ski. First time facing our fears, fell off the jet ski. We fell off the jet ski. Enjoying that video, but if you just give good old turtle head a second to explain something to you, I'm gonna do it in about 30 to 40 seconds. Now, I'm gonna slide on over, and I know y'all noticed this sexy, handsome turtle right here. I lost a total of 50 pounds, and I wanna show you how to do the same thing. Now, this product right here, this is what gave me the vitamins to put back into my body after I detox with this product right here. All right? You have to detox with this product, and then you have to get this product to keep those good nutrients in your body. Now, the link is in my description. You gotta go hit it, because you gotta go get it, honey. And that's it. Now, future royalty, you get back to your video.
y'all? It's your girl Titi.
It's your girl Royalty.
And welcome back to Royalties in Candyland. She always she been messing up on this trip. She said, okay, last time you said that you was tipsy or you was drunk. Now you sleepy. Y'all, this our last day here.
It's our last day here, y'all. It's been freaking amazing.
And we finally made it to the beach. Well, baby came without me when I surprised her.
Right. Well, we didn't get we wasn't on the beach.
Oh, did you even walk down here then?
No.
Oh, you was just walking like the strip like we did yesterday. Yeah, we walked the strip yesterday. We didn't record
y'all want some wine?
Yeah, I'll fix something for me and babe.
Okay.
No problem.
So yeah, y'all, we just want to show y'all the beach and let y'all know what our experience was like.
Yeah.
We need to let y'all know what we learned and all that shit.
It was a good trip.
It was a great trip.
You enjoy your surprise?
I did. She surprised me. That was crazy. I've always wanted, I hate surprises, but I always wanted somebody to show me the same energy I show them, so you know.
I match your fly, boo.
That's a fact. That's a fact. She matches my fly.
Okay, we about to go enjoy this beach.
Okay.
We'll be back.
And walk the fuck off.
Say hi.
Hey.
Say hi. Oh, hi. Oh, hi.
Yeah, we are terrible at vlogging. I ain't gonna count.
It was just this trip because it was more for us, not for you guys. But we are on the way, about to board and go back to the ATL. So when we get there, we'll close this out because I'm over.
We got something to talk to y'all about.
Bye, y'all.
Y'all, we back to Atlanta. As you can see, it's fucking raining.
Right. And Slim, get in this. What's going? They finally got their ass back. Okay. Y'all probably wondering why we in the back. That's none of your business.
Okay. But we finally back in the A, you know what I'm saying? We gotta go ahead and end this vlog because we need to give y'all a couple story times and some other shit and have some conversations, shit like that. Yeah. So we love you guys.
And we appreciate you guys.
We're on to the next video.
Shit, bye.
Bye-bye.